stealth carrier, invisible floating fortress. This design allows the U.S. to deploy global air power undetected, bypassing all coastal defense systems. Autonomous railgun, beyond sight attack. AI and railgun technology deliver precise and devastating attack capabilities at a fraction of the cost of missiles. Tidal disruptor, manipulating the sea. This weapon turns the natural environment itself into a strategic tool, neutralizing the maneuverability of enemy vessels. Wave absorption field, weather dominance. This technology allows the U.S. Navy to operate stably in the harshest weather conditions, a huge strategic advantage. Hull-striking laser, focused destruction. This laser weapon is capable of inflicting irreparable physical damage from a distance, the future of naval combat. Wireless refueling, instant logistics. This technology eliminates the delays of traditional refueling, enhancing the continuous operational capability of the fleet in combat. Hidden metal detection, seabed-piercing eyes. This technology can find all metal threats, from submarines to deeply buried mines,
magnetic
in any
signature
water conditions.
confirmed.
Target acquired. Deploying drone now.
Light bending, camouflage, sea surface mirage. This technology makes U.S. warships invisible to the enemy's direct visual and optical observation means, including human sight.
Targeting system error. Unable to acquire lock.
Shockwave suicide drone, underside attack. This drone attacks the warship's weakest point, inflicting irreversible damage to the structure and propulsion system. Sea wave energy, harvesting, combat self-sufficiency. This technology allows U.S. warships to maintain power for advanced weapons without reliance on fuel supply chains. Environment disruptor, sub-hydrographic control. This technology turns the physical properties of water into the ultimate stealth protection tool for U.S. submarines. Self-assembling seabed, drone, on-site assembly weapon. The self-assembly capability allows complex weapon deployment in the most remote and deepest ocean areas. Sub-launched interceptor, underwater shield. Submarines are not only offensive weapons, but also mobile defense platforms against cruise missile attacks. UHF radar manipulation, new sensor neutralization. This technology ensures that even the latest radar systems cannot detect U.S. submarines.
Sir, the radar's completely jammed. We've lost them.
Limpet Recon Drone, Close Quarters Reconnaissance. This drone turns the enemy submarine into a data broadcasting station, providing extremely detailed strategic information. Water electrification. Sub, electrochemical protection. This technology creates an invisible electromagnetic and chemical shield, neutralizing all forms of the enemy torpedo's most sophisticated sensors. Underwater hypersonic torpedo, destructive speed. This torpedo makes hypersonic speed a reality underwater, an unavoidable and extremely powerful weapon. Autonomous hull repair. Robot, mid-ocean maintenance. The ability to self-repair underwater allows submarines to maintain combat readiness without returning to base, enhancing strategic presence. Deep biomass engine, perpetual energy. This technology provides a clean, nearly infinite power source for submarines to operate covertly for unprecedented durations. False acoustic signature, acoustic camouflage. This weapon deceives the enemy's sophisticated sonar systems by mimicking and emitting harmless or natural acoustic signatures. Hydro shear torpedo, tearing with water. This weapon relies not on explosives, but on manipulating water forces, an entirely new method of warship destruction. Hot water. Column, underside destruction. Attacking from the bottom with extreme heat is an undefendable tactic, turning the enemy ship into a destroyed metal mass. Temporary transmutation torpedo. Warfare, alchemy. This weapon attacks the very material nature of the enemy vessel, inflicting irreparable damage. Propulsion attacking swarm. Dynamics, neutralization. The nano-robot swarm can covertly neutralize the enemy vessel, leaving it immobilized and vulnerable to further attack. Localized water. Vaporization, the power of steam. This weapon uses heat and pressure to inflict damage, a unique destructive tool that leaves no torpedo or shell fragments. AI self-deciding torpedo, optimal strike. The torpedo's self-decision capability ensures it always finds and exploits the target's fatal weak point, even as the target attempts to defend. Chemical signature suppression, chemical stealth. This technology eliminates one of the most sophisticated detection methods, ensuring the submarine is completely clean and invisible to all forms of sensors. Self-regenerating torpedo, combat endurance. The ability to self-regenerate power ensures the torpedo is not neutralized by minor technical failures or passive enemy countermeasures. Unified Sensor Sub. Total Awareness. This technology turns the submarine into a living sensor network, eliminating all blind spots and maximizing detection capabilities. Localized Cryogenic Weapon. Temperature Destruction. This weapon uses abrupt temperature change to inflict irreparable physical damage and paralyze critical systems.